Understanding Regal in Nature, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English language and idioms. Today, we're diving into the phrase, regal in nature. This idiom might sound a bit complex at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. The word, regal, comes from the Latin word, regalis, meaning of or pertaining to a king or queen. It's often used to describe something that is majestic, splendid, or fitting of royalty. When we say something is regal, we're suggesting it has the grandeur or dignity of a king or queen. Now, let's understand the phrase, in nature. This doesn't refer to the natural world of plants and animals. In this context, in nature means in characteristics or essence. It's a way of saying that something inherently possesses certain qualities. When we combine these two, regal in nature means having qualities or characteristics that are noble, majestic, or royal. It's often used to describe someone's demeanor, posture, or behavior that resembles that of royalty. Let's see some examples. 1. Her regal in nature speech captivated everyone in the room. Here, it means her speech had a royal-like elegance. 2. The old library, regal in nature, stood tall amidst modern buildings. This suggests that the library has an architectural grandeur similar to a palace. This phrase is often used in literature and formal speeches. It's a descriptive term that adds a touch of elegance and grandeur. It's not commonly used in everyday conversation, but it's a great phrase to know for appreciating English literature or for formal writing. And that's a wrap on regal in nature. I hope this video has helped you understand this royal phrase. Remember, English is a rich and diverse language, and exploring idioms like this can be both fun and enlightening. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.